Hi, my name's Kelly. I'm a digital transformation director. I would give Divi 4 out of 5 stars. And for more reviews, you can click below. So prior to having Divi, we were using some of the out-of-the-box WordPress themes that sort of come when you purchase a license, and it really just didn't give us the ability to quickly build web pages. It took a lot of manual effort and at times research online trying to find ways to style things, and Divi solved that problem for us. We chose Divi because, first of all, we had WordPress, and so Divi was compatible with WordPress. It was, when we did our research, one of the top themes that we could find. And then when we tested it out with the free version, we were really impressed with how quickly we could build landing pages and how quickly our staff could get up to speed, where we had 3 or 4 people in the website. Everybody was really comfortable with it. Getting started with Divi was very, very easy. It's all modular based, so you can quite literally type into the search bar what you're looking for, like a button or text or video or anything like that, and it just pops up. It's pretty easy to style. I think the only thing that took some getting up to speed was the sort of reusable templates, because you have to save them in a certain way. There's basically like 3 tiers of Divi, and you have to save them into the tier that you want to reuse them in. But other than that, getting up to speed was very quickly. I think for Divi, if you struggle with sort of the speed of building a WordPress website or adding on to a WordPress website, Divi's really great because it gives you a lot of customization options right at the tip of your fingers. The only thing that I think would be a consideration for not getting Divi would be if website speed is critically important to you, if you're trying to rank organically for 100 different pages. Speed might play an issue, but otherwise, Divi is the right choice if you're looking for sort of a no-code solution to WordPress.